Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we have a Sony SVE15 model laptop, and in this laptop we have two problems. First one is for the screen and the second one is for the speaker. The speakers are not functioning properly and the screen has a physical hit here. Both of the items are not repairable, so we will replace them with the new one as we have already purchased a new screen for this laptop. It is a 40 pin non-IPS HD display screen, and the second are the speakers we have bought for this laptop. So we will first disassemble the laptop screen panel and also the speakers, and then we will replace them with the new one. So let's open the laptop first. Here the speaker is broken, so we will replace the speaker set with the new one. This is our new screen, and now we will place this screen. This is a camera contact cable, and don't forget to place this back. Here we have a screen panel. Now we have this panel is ready to fit. We have already purchased a new pair of speakers for this laptop. Now it's time for these speakers to be placed over here. Now we have fixed the panel and the base together, and now it is time to fix the base cover also, and then we will check the display. So after replacing the screen, we can see that the smudge has been removed, and we have also replaced the speakers for this laptop. So if you found my video interesting, so please give me a like and subscribe my channel, and I will be back with some more information to share with you. And thank you for watching my video.